If you have an oil leak like this one, and you find out that the oil is coming from your crankcase breather tube, come over here. Let me show you what I found on this MaxxForce DT. At idle, it was already at 10 inches of blow-by. Wide open throttle, it went over 30 inches. Excessive blow-by like this will cause oil to come out of your breather tube. And when checking for excessive blow-by, don't always go by the oil fill cap, because check this one out. This is a wide open throttle. There's nothing coming out of there. It's because it's got an open breather kit. If you enjoyed these clips, make sure you follow me on here and on Instagram for more tips.